Hey guys, we'll be doing our cake. This is our sugar. I want to do simple cake. Simple cake. Oh, we take and we drink tea. Our milk, we go warm our milk a bit. Our milk a bit because it's cold. Yes, so this is our milk for our cake. We go warm am. Just light warm. Yes. So we'll be putting water. This is our butter. Creamer. Cream, butter and sugar together. One is cold. This one only for room temperature. You just manage am. Yes, my lovely people. Winter is doing simple cake. We have 4 eggs. This is our nut milk. This is our baking powder. 2 nut milk. Our flour. Yes. So we will mix and mix. You use the one side. If you want turn on this side, better the turn on, so you no go do so. No. Use one side. Look at creaming it. After creaming, then we'll put the egg. This is butter and sugar together. Guys, see the mixture. It don't soft. Our simple cake. We go to put egg. As I said, we have 4 eggs. Direct to the bin. We have 4 eggs. Sometimes it's good to break your egg beside, not inside, because some egg you can discover that one is bad. So don't follow what I'm doing is, I know the egg is good because I've been using it, but some eggs you should break it in a small bowl before turning it here, so that you check whether it's good or not. Okay, teaching. So always break your egg in another pan, another dish, so that you check whether it's nice. But I've been using the egg, so I know. So guys, let's mix. See, hey, it's good to know these things. You can be doing it and be selling as a businesswoman. Say okay, make egg. Now we're going to put we go sieve our flour. I have a small flour. We go sieve flour and I put all the dry ingredients. See am. Don't see am. So we throw this. See, it's carrot. Well, I will put in 2 packs of milk. This is your milk. Add baking powder. Flavor. Put salt. No ask me why no. It's finished. Oh, cake done. Cake done be that. Guys, I dey add more oil. It depends. We do one optional. Then I'm putting the light warm milk. Cake done ready. We will put oven on. Let's put the oven on. Like oven 225 degrees. Then I put oven on. Yes, mixer. Let's mix together. As businesswoman, you go make am so you keep am, you dey chop am small. As you come back for work, you can just take a slice and you eat and drink your small juice, or you take your tea. You see, this is a simple cake. Today I'm not making banana cake. This is simple cake. They see am. Yes, we are almost done. Our cake pan is ready. This is our cake pan. You can still put this. You can still rub it like this. Fill your pan. Our oven is hot. Then you take small flour. You put. Oh, you do like this. Let me water the body. Yes. So this is it. Yes, guys. So the corner is already ready to enter the oven. Yeah. Now ready for enter oven. Our cake, simple cake, well tasty. Guys, you don't ready here. Yes, we will put am.